Good morning guys, it's Craig from fixitfallows, and you can see, yes, once again I am in the garage, but I won't be for long as I'll be going out to the Mercedes Vito W639 as I've developed a little bit of a rattle. Seems to be coming from the exhaust. As you can see, I've got it jacked up. I've looked underneath and it's the clamp on the midsection of the exhaust. Seems to have corroded away to nothing, so the two halves are just push fitted together, and I think that's what's causing the rattle. Let me take you over and you can have a close-up look at the state of it. So here we are, you can see the two halves of the pipe joining together there, and the clamp used to go all the way around, but you can see it's completely corroded away. It's not doing anything, and then you can see there's a bit of wobble in it now. So you saw how rusty the old clamp was. I used my vernier calipers here to measure the diameter of the exhaust pipe, and I went to Halfords, which is in the UK a car parts place. I've got myself an exhaust clamp. So what I shall do is get underneath the Vito, take off the old clamp and replace it with this. This was £1.60. This should be a very nice, cheap, easy fix. So this clamp is so rusted, bits have already broken away around this side. I'm hoping that I can just bash it off with a chisel and with a hammer. Yeah. And there we are. Okay, that clamp was doing absolutely nothing, so we'll just give this a bit of a clean up with a wire brush and then put the new clamp around there. So here we go. Just take the U-bolt, slide it over, do it this way so you can see it. On this exhaust there is like a protrusion there that works nicely with the inside of the clamp, so if you place it just in the right place like that, it will kind of lock over that nipple bit there, so the clamp won't slide off. And we'll put one bolt on. And the other. Take a spanner. There we are. Done. And then just for good measure, I'm going to spray some galvanising cold spray on this just to give it a little bit more corrosion protection. So here we are, close up of that old clamp. Look at that, well and truly knackered. That was doing absolutely nothing. So if you've got a bit of a rattle coming from the exhaust on your Vito or any other car for that matter, be sure to check out those clamps on the midsections there. They're taking a lot of abuse. They're hanging right on the underside where all the weathering is happening. They're going to corrode over time, and as you saw, I've got a replacement from Halfords or any other auto parts place you can imagine. Absolutely cheap, really easy fix. So there you go. Thank you once again for tuning in and watching. Please check out some of my other videos, and please be sure to like and subscribe, and I shall see you again very soon. Ta-da.